It's me, I'm back. It's been a while since I last did a video, let's face it. I've been incredibly busy, just work-wise, personal life-wise. It's been crazy, all good stuff, but just really busy. So I haven't been able to get out to fly my drone, which has been really annoying because I've really wanted to. So I apologize for the lack of video content. I have got a new video for you today. Obviously you're kind of watching it right now, but just to let you know what's coming in this video, I managed to take out my Flywoo Flylens 85 for another flight with a friend of mine who has some RC planes. And basically I just chased his planes around for a while, and it was just super fun. It was actually really good trying to keep up with him and, you know, matching his turns and stuff like that. It just felt like a really good way to practice flying. There was one point where I very nearly lost the drone. I mean, just unfathomably close to not getting it back. I will edit something in when that bit happens and I'll explain exactly what happened and why it was so horrendously terrifying. It was a brown trousers moment. It was a brown trousers moment. Beautiful here today, check it out. The river looking absolutely lovely, quite calm, sunny, warm, and it's been like this for a little while, which is great. It's not too hot, it's just nice. It's like 21, 22 degrees, something like that. Perfect for me. That's kind of it. I'm going to stop waffling and let you get on with watching some of the drone flight. I hope you enjoy it. Before I go, if you enjoy this video, do consider liking it. That would really help. Also consider subscribing if you want to see more of this kind of content. There's a swan over there, look at him swimming, just hanging out, swanning around. Anyway, enough waffle. Let's get on with the video. Thank you very much for watching in advance. Hello, I'm just editing. I just wanted to mention before we get into the footage, it does look a bit wobbly. Following my last video, I had loads of problems with loads of wobbliness, and people said, turn off Rocksteady. So I turned it off. And then they said, put it into Gyroflow. I've tried putting the footage into Gyroflow, but for some reason it's saying that there's no motion data detected. I don't know why. I think there's supposed to be gyro data. If you have any ideas what's going on, let me know. I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, back to the wobbly footage. Alright, so this is the bit I was talking about. As you can see, at this point, the drone, I was flying along, following my friend's plane, and you know, everything was going nicely. And I literally said to him, just before this happened, I really hope I don't crash, because if I crash over this field, I am never going to find my drone. And then the battery just completely died. There was zero power, and the drone just fell out of the sky. I couldn't do anything to rescue it, just fell out of the sky. And as you can see, it kind of just came down into that field. The thing was, the battery died completely. So there was no beeping tone that I could hear or anything like that. There was no light on the drone, so I couldn't see any light or anything like that. So it was literally a case of trying to find an 85-gram drone that's like the size of my hand in a wheat field. It took me so long. It was about, I mean, honestly, it was probably about 45 minutes of just walking up and down the field. But eventually, much to my relief I managed to find it. I'm learning, I'm doing stuff wrong and I'm learning. So anyway, yeah, don't judge me too hard, but that battery is naffed. But luckily I've got 5 more, so I could do loads more flying. Anyway, let's get back to watching that, shall we?